Welcome back to Brain Tech Talk, your go-to channel for the latest in tech innovations. Today we have an exciting update straight from Apple's latest developer conference. Get ready to dive into the revolutionary new feature that's about to change how you use your iPhone and Mac together: iPhone mirroring. Apple has always been at the forefront of seamless device integration, and with the upcoming iOS 18 and macOS Sequoia, they're taking it to the next level. The newest beta releases have just dropped, and developers can now test iPhone mirroring, a game-changing feature that lets you mirror your iPhone directly on your Mac. First announced at Apple's developer conference, WWDC, earlier this month, iPhone mirroring allows you to use your iPhone on your Mac, launch and run iPhone apps, and even move files between the two devices. Imagine editing a video clip with Final Cut Pro on your Mac and seamlessly continuing your work on your iPhone. That's the kind of integration we're talking about. During the WWDC demo, Apple showcased how effortlessly you can drop a video clip edited on your Mac into a template on your iPhone for further edits. This is made possible by the new Final Cut Pro for iPad and Final Cut camera apps, along with updates for Final Cut Pro on the Mac. But that's not all. iPhone mirroring brings your iPhone notifications right to your Mac desktop. You can respond to alerts from various apps without ever unlocking your phone. Plus, the iPhone's audio will play through your Mac, making it a true extension of your phone. For developers, this feature is a game changer. Imagine demoing your app over a video call or live presentation and switching to your iPhone effortlessly. And don't worry about security. When your iPhone is being mirrored, the physical device remains locked, ensuring your data is safe, even if your phone is out of reach. Another cool feature is compatibility with standby mode. You can see important information at a glance while your iPhone is mirrored, making multitasking a breeze. Currently, iPhone mirroring is available for developers testing iOS 18 Beta 2 and macOS Sequoia Beta 2, but a word of caution, these are still in the early stages and can be quite buggy. Reports are coming in about battery issues, phones heating up, and occasional crashes, so it's best not to install these betas on your main device just yet. We're just weeks away from the public betas, and the official launch is expected this fall. Until then, we'll keep you updated on all the latest developments right here on Brain Tech Talk. If you're excited about iPhone mirroring or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all things tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.